Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Teams desktop app and join or open the meeting window. Wait until the meeting controls appear at the top or bottom of your screen. Click the three dots menu labeled More Actions to reveal meeting options. Choose Meeting Info from this menu to open the Meeting Details pane. In that pane, you will see a meeting ID shown as a 10-digit number. Use the copy icon to copy the meeting ID to your clipboard. Paste the meeting ID into chat or calendar invites as needed. Sign into Teams, Microsoft, Com, and open your meeting in the browser. Make sure you are using the Chromium-based browser for full feature parity. Join the meeting or open its event in your calendar to see meeting controls. Click the More Actions button represented by three dots to reveal options. Select Meeting Info to open the Meeting Details pane on the right side. The pane displays a meeting ID as a 10-digit number with a copy icon. Copy that meeting ID and share it as needed. Open the Teams mobile app and tap your meeting to view details. Wait for the meeting card to expand and show the Join and Details buttons. Tap Details or Meeting Info to open the meeting information screen on your phone. Scroll to find a meeting ID shown as a 10-digit number alongside dial-in info. Use the Copy button to save the meeting ID to your clipboard quickly. For scheduled calendar events, check the event description or meeting info section before the meeting starts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.